Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. So this is going to be your daily reading for your general energies and also for your love energy Scorpios. Let's see what's coming up for your general energies guys before we move on to your love energies. Scorpios, what is coming up for your general energies? Okay Scorpio, so you were like concerned about yourselves, like you want this emotional stability in your lives, you want everything to go perfectly. Everyone just views you as this person who has everything and who's so beautiful, and all of my Scorpios are very beautiful and you just do whatever you feel is right and all of that. So people around you just feel like they miss you if you're not with them, or they kind of like the way you dress up, they like the way you take care of your skin, you take care of your hair, or you've been taking care of yourselves, and people around you are kind of jealous because you are so concerned about yourselves. Okay, and maybe like they want some ideas on how you take care of yourself. So maybe like your friends, your family members, like your relatives, or people might be asking like some suggestions to make the pimples go away, or like to make skin bright or something like that guys, relating to beauty and skin and hair and all of that. So people might be asking you a lot of things about these things, and you will be like actually advising them on these things today. Okay, or you like to groom yourselves today because you feel like for the past couple of days you were just eating, you were just enjoying, you were not maintaining a strict diet, you were not in that energy, and right now you want to exercise, you want to make sure that you look good because people think that you look stunning and you just want to prove everyone that you look good. Okay, so that's going to be your attitude for today. You're going to be doing whatever it takes to make yourselves look good, or you like exercising or doing whatever it takes to make yourselves feel better about you. Okay, that's what I see here guys. Again, you are in this attention seeking mode, so you want attention from people. So if you feel like someone is not giving you attention like the way they used to give you, then you're going to be like being that extra person who just proves everyone that they're worthy. Okay, you're just going to be like that. That's what I see here guys. Again, what I'm getting here for you is that you guys know what you should do and you guys know what you shouldn't do. Okay, you will go towards things that is right for you, and you'll go towards things what is right for you. That's what I see here again. You won't accept people who are acting bad to you. You will only stay with people who you feel is really worthy. Okay, let's see what's coming up for your love energies guys. Okay Scorpios, for your love energies, what is coming up? Okay, today for your person's energies and for your energies guys. Okay, for your person's energies first and then your energies Scorpios. Person's energies, for your energies. I see here guys, let's just start with your energies and then we will be moving on to your person's energies. Okay, so for my lovely cross watchers. So yes, for your energy Scorpios, you want this relationship with this person, but you just feel like it's not strong enough. You just feel like that your relationship might go down any minute. You just don't feel that, what to say, you don't feel that your relationship is strong enough for it to progress. You feel like it can go down any minute. You just don't have so much trust on this connection, or I don't know, you just don't feel like trusting this person or trusting this connection. That's what I see here. Again, you've made a decision. Maybe you were in relationship with someone, but then you like that person, but then this person seemed much more better than that person, so you wanted to come to this person. Maybe you've made a decision choosing this particular person that you're with right now, you're thinking right now, but then all I see here is that you don't feel this relationship is yet so strong. You just feel like it can collapse any minute, and you just don't have trust on this relationship or on this person, okay? But you really feel like this is the one for you, because maybe this person treats you the way you have to be treated and all of that, but you still think that you have so many thoughts, okay, and you really feel that this relationship is not strong yet, okay? That's what I see here, guys. So for your person's energy, what I'm getting here is that this person really loves you. They want to come towards you, but before that they want to grow, okay? So maybe for some of you, this person, you are not in communication with this person. For some of you, yes, you are. Maybe they communicated recently, I mean they spoke to you recently, and you just kind of are in this they kept you in this friend zone or something like that. But I really think this person is stuck at the moment. They're not like how they were used to be. Maybe they've changed, they're changing, and something is, I don't know, they're changing. That's what I see. Everybody changes, and this person is changing a lot, Scorpios. I also see here that this person is just like telling you that they'll choose you over and over again. No matter how much time it takes, this person will choose you forever, okay? That's what I see here. This person wants to tell you that they will choose you, like if they have a choice, they will choose you again, okay? They will never leave you. That's what they want to tell you, and that's what they want to make it clear about. They want to tell you that they will love you all the time, guys. That's what I see here. This person, again, I feel like they do love you, but then they have a lot of things they have to do before coming towards you. It's not just, what to say, they want to come towards you, they want to make this relationship happen, but they're kind of in this hermit energy. I don't know, maybe they feel like you would give up on them. They feel like that they're taking you for granted, or like they feel like you are taking them for granted. That might also be the feeling. That's why they're kind of not following you much on Instagram. They're not texting you like they used to text. They're actually not in that correct energy, because they think that you would take them for granted and your relationship will end like it ended for them. Maybe their relationship with others were just not so strong, maybe it was weak, so they also feel like the relationship they have with you is kind of weak, okay? That's what I get here. They feel like the relationship they have with you is weak, and that's the main reason why they won't be coming towards you guys, okay? So that's what I get for you guys. Also, this person really wants you, okay? They're not going to choose anyone else right now. They're not interested in they're not interested in others, like I see that clearly here. So they will want you in their lives, and they are actually kind of dedicated to you, I see here. So That's all I say here, guys. Your lucky color for today is black and your lucky crystal for today is amethyst. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow.